Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. So we finished up the AC lines in this thing, and it's time to put the hood on it. So we've had this hood on this car a few times, more than I care to think about. So now we're going to put it on for the last time, hopefully. So let's go grab the hood and get to it. Yep. Okay. You want me to walk backwards, Zero? Good. Now the key thing is not to run into any of the cars.
You didn't say that.
Are we going to tilt it sideways or go up high, whatever you want to do? Okay. So we got plenty of help here. My brother-in-law Daryl's got the front of the hood, and my sister Esther, she's in the background looking on, just in case we make any mistakes. Okay. So you got to lift it up higher than that, Daryl. Now you have to hold it steady.
Yeah, I was trying to adjust on this side too. It wasn't quite squared up on the
The front's got to go to my right. You're right a little bit. No. Yeah. Yeah, that's good right there. Let it down a little bit, Daryl. I can't quite get it started for some reason. She's Louise. Oh, we got a winner. Got one. All right. You getting tired, Daryl?
I am. I'm getting tired. I'm doing a permanent curl, bicep curl.
Okay.
Good.
Yep. All right. Can you hold it up?
I can get come back around.
Just stay right there. I'm gonna come over that side. Okay.
Yeah, there. Yeah, let me come around.
You can hold his hands up for me.
Blocking the camera. Yeah, you're right. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Up a little bit, Daryl. A little bit more. That's too much. Okay. I need you to go up a little bit there. A little bit more. This one here is. in the hole anyway. Hold on. Get that started a little bit better. Needs to come up on the side right here. I think we got that turn. All right. There's a prop rod right over there next to you, Daryl.
What's that?
There's a prop rod. I'll get it for you. Right here.
You want to paint that blue?
No. Okay.
All right, here we go.
Just make sure that doesn't fall down, son. Well, it sounds like an acorn.
I don't know what that was.
It's an acorn. That's what it sounded like.
It is. Well, why is there an acorn? It's not inside it, is it? That wrench on that new paint?
It's not new. It's 3 months old. Okay. I could have got the shorter bolts, I guess. They'd be harder to start. All right, tighten these up. So this is an original Trans Am hood. You can tell that it is because of the way it is. Original Trans Am hoods don't have provision for a hood latch in the front or a safety. And all that holds them down is the hood pins. So if you got to put the hood pins in it, they would blow off. So a lot of these hoods didn't survive. And there weren't many to begin with because they only made 2,600 of those cars anyway. So I've had this hood probably 30 years. And it's got 55-year-old patina on the bottom, which is why I didn't paint it.
That's right. It's good that way.
Yep. So anyway, we'll get these blankets out of the way, these towels, and we'll try to get this hood adjusted for last time. It should be pretty close. All right. So come on now, slowly, slowly, slowly. Slower, slower, faster, faster. Slower, faster. Keep going. Let me look at the other side. Hold on. Okay, keep going. Go ahead. All right, looks perfect back here.
Combining on the binding somewhere.
No?
I wanted a hose. I was curious about that hose underneath.
Oh, okay.
I was curious about that hose.
This hose here?
Yep.
Okay.
Kind of wanted that.
So we're gonna have to put these put some clamps on here.
Yeah, pull down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet you hose underneath it.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we're good here. Yeah. There we go. Perfect.
It has a really solid sound to it.
I can't believe it. It's perfect.
Well, it's only like the fifth time.
We've had this hood off lots of times. Did a lot of repairs on this hood. Normally you see these hoods and they're puckered up on either side of the hood hinge here because the factory puts hood hinge springs in there. and over time it bows the fiberglass. I spent a lot of time straightening this hood out, and I'm probably not going to put any hooded springs on it for that particular reason. So, but it's perfect. So let me put this up one more time. We'll finish tightening the bolts up. I'm going to come up with some sort of better looking prop rod than that.
I think Neil's like
Painted blue. Okay. All right. She's on. I call it a job well done. Yeah. Thanks for all the help. If you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe, ring the bell. I think the little the rubber underneath is hitting those pipes, but I call that great. Makes a big difference, doesn't it?